Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to restart and power off your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. In this video, I will show you three different methods to restart or turn off your Samsung S25 FE device or any other One UI 8 version device. So let's see one by one. In first method, you can use the quick setting tiles power button. So swipe down the notification panel twice at the top of the screen on your device. Here you can find the power button icon. So tap on it. Now you can see the power menu on your S25 FE. So tap on the restart button. Now tap again to restart your phone. So tap on it again to restart or reboot your Samsung S25 FE device. In the second method, you can use the side button, power button or volume down button. Long press both button until you can see the power menu. Make sure both button press same time. Now you can see the power menu again. Tap on a restart and tap again to restart your phone. And the third method, you can use the side button only. So by default, when you long press the side button, it will launch the Gemini on your latest S25 FE or One UI 8 devices. So you need to change the side button setting by swipe down the notification panel, tap on the power button icon. Now tap on the side button settings. Here you need to select long press option and select the power of menu instead of the digital assistant. So now we select the power of menu. Now go back, long press the side button or power button and it will launch the power menu. Now tap on the restart. Tap on the restart. Now you can see restart your Samsung S25 FE or any other Samsung device using the side button. So wait until reboot your Samsung device. And the last and fourth method, you can use the Gemini or a Bixby voice assistant. Just launch the Google Gemini or Bixby and say restart the phone and you can see the power menu on the screen. Just tap on the power restart button or power up button to restart or power off your Samsung S25 FE device. So you can use all three methods to restart and power up or turn off your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE device. That's it.